If my love wasn't here with me tonight, I would live with you for just a little while. But I love him the same way as I love you now, and I'm sorry I can't be with you tonight. Though I want to hold you in my arms tonight, I wouldn't take the chance, 'cause it won't be right. Maybe when we meet again some other time, 'cause tonight I only share my love with you. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be in two places at the same time, believe me, I would share my love with you. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be in two places at the same time, believe me, I would share my love with you. Believe me, I would share my love with you. Believe me, I would share my love with you. Tra-la-la, thrill-dee-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbirds here. Tra-la-la, thrill-dee-dee, it is and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on the mockingbird hill. When the sun in the morning creeps over over the hill and kisses the roses round my windowsill. And my heart filled with gladness when I hear the thrill of the birds on the tree ups on the mockingbird hill. Tra-la-la, triddle-dee-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird hill. Tra-la-la, triddle-dee-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on the mockingbird hill. When it's late in the evening, I climb up the hill and survey all my kingdom while everything's still. Only me and the sky and the old whippoorwill singing song in the twilight on the mockingbird hill. Tra-la-la, triddle-dee-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's hill. Tra-la-la, triddle-dee-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on the mockingbird hill. How much is that dog in the window? The one with the waggly tail. How much is that dog in the window? I do hope that dog is for sale. I must take a trip to California and leave my poor sweetheart alone. If he has a dog, he won't be lonesome, and the doggy will have a good tone. How much is that dog in the window? The one with the waggly tail. How much is that dog in the window? I do hope that dog is for sale. I read in the papers there's a robber with flashlight that shines in the dark. My love needs a dog to protect him and scare them away with one bite. I don't want a bunny or a kitten. I don't want a parrot that talks. I don't want a ball of little fishes. He can take the dogs for a walk. How much is that dog in the window? The one with the waggly tail. How much is that dog What will be, will be. When I grew up and fell in love, I asked my sweet bride, what lies ahead? Will we have rainbows day after day? Here's what my sweetheart said. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Yes, said I. What will be, will be. Children of my own, they ask their mother, what will I be? Will I be handsome? Will I be rich? I tell them tenderly. Yes, said I. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Yes, said I. What will be, will be. Yeah, said I. Tell me please, Mr. Love, will I find out tomorrow? Do your best, Mr. Love, I'll be waiting till then. Don't you know, Mr. Love, I can take all this sorrow. So if you have the time, you'll be mine once again. Please, 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 Mr. Love, where is that boy that I'm dreaming of? Please, 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 Mr. Love, bring him back home to me. Yesterday was so fine, he'd be walking beside me, and he said he'll be mine till the day we both die. But he left me last night, and my heart broke inside me. I was feeling so sad that I broke down and cried. Please, 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 Mr. Love, where is that boy that I'm dreaming of? Please, 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 Mr. Love, bring him back home to me. Say you help me tonight, 'cause I'm feeling so lonely. Now I'm down on my knees. Help me please, Mr. Love. Please, 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 Mr. Love, where is that boy that I'm
today that she won't come back to stay, that she only comes to claim of her clothes. She wrote, I must not cry, other love for me has died, but she found somebody else, I suppose. Baby blue, baby blue, do you know that I'm still in love with you? Now I know that you won't be no more. How I need you, how I want you, baby blue. I know I must forget for the good time as we have, but I know that I can't forget you. You're still on my mind, that I know that I could find such a girl as my sweet baby blue, baby blue, baby blue. Do you know that I'm still in love with you? Now I know that you won't be no more. How I need you, how I want you, baby blue, baby blue, baby blue. Do you know that I'm still in love with you? Now I know that you won't be no more. How I need you, how I want you, baby blue. How I need you, how I want you, baby blue.
I can tell by your eyes that you've probably been quiet forever. And the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you, they're only moon. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. If I stand the shadows, hide the colors of my heart. Blue for the tears, black for the night. Fear the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you. They are talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart, my heart, oh, my talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? You could see me now, the one who said that she'd rather run, the one who said she'd rather be alone. If you could only see me now, if I could hold you now, just for a moment, if I could really make you mine, just for a while, turn back the hands of time. If I could only hold you now, I've been too long in the wind, too long in the rain, taking any comfort that I can. Looking back and longing for this freedom of my chain. I'm lying in your loving arms again. If you could hear me now, singing somewhere to the lonely night, dreaming of the arms that help me die. If I could only hold me now. I've been too long in the wind, too long in the rain, taking any comfort that I can. Looking back and longing for this freedom of my chain. I'm lying in your loving arms again. I've been too long in the wind, too long in the rain, taking any comfort that I can. Looking back and longing for this freedom of my chain. I'm lying in your loving arms again. I've been too long in the wind, too long in the rain, taking any comfort that I can. Looking back and longing for this freedom of my chain. I'm lying in your loving arms again. I can almost feel your loving arms again.
As I look at the letter that you wrote to me, it's you that I'm thinking of. As I read the line that to me were so sweet, I remember our faith that Lord, I miss you, darling, more and more every day. And seven would miss the stars above. With every heartbeat, I'm still thinking of you and remember our faith that love.
I think of the past and all the pleasures we had, and so on, the mating of the dove. It was in the springtime that you said goodbye, and I remember our faded love. I miss you, darling, more and more every day. As heaven would miss the stars above. With every heartbeat, I'm still thinking of you and remember our faded love.
As I look at the letter that you wrote to me, it's you that I am thinking of. As I read the line that to me were so sweet, I remember our faded love. I miss you, darling, and more every day. Seven will miss stars above. With every heartbeat, I'm still thinking of you and remember our faded love.
I think of the past and all the pleasures we had as we walked the mating of the day. It was in the springtime that you said goodbye, and I remember our faded love. I miss you, darling, more and more every day. As heaven would miss the stars above. With every heartbeat, I still think of you and remember our faded love. Just follow the stairway to this lonely world of mine. You'll find me waiting here in apartment number 9. That's so very long ago. You walk away from me, and after all the plans we made, you decided to be free. Loneliness surrounds me without your arms around me, and the sun will never shine number 9. I keep waiting in this lonely room, just in case you change your mind. You'll find me waiting here in apartment number 9. Loneliness surrounds me without your arms around me, and the sun will never shine in apartment number 9. No, the sun will never shine in apartment number 9. I've made up my mind to live in memory of such old lonesome time. I can't stop wanting you. It's useless to say, so I just live my life in dreams of yesterday. Those happy hours that we once knew, they still make me blue. They say the time heals a broken heart, but time has stood still since we've been apart. I can't stop loving you. I've made it my mind to live in memory of such a lonesome time. I can't stop wanting you. It's useless to say, so I just live my life in dreams of yesterday. those happy hours that we once knew. Though long ago, they still make me blue. And they say the time heals a broken heart, but time has stood still since we've been apart. I can't stop loving you, so I've made up my mind to live in memory of an old lonesome time. I can't stop wanting you. It's useless to say, so I just leave my life in dreams of yesterday. Everything's for the girl who gives you the eye and let him hold you tight. You can smile, every smile for the girl who'd like to treat you right beneath the line. But don't forget who's taking you home, and if the sun's gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me. Oh, I know that the music's fine, like a sparkling wine, going having fun. Laugh and sing, but while we're apart, don't give your heart to anyone. But don't forget who's taking you home, and if the songs are gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me. Go and carry on till the night is gone and it's time to go. If he asks if you're all alone, can you take you home? We must tell him no. But don't forget who's taking you home, and if the songs are gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me. But don't forget who's taking you home, and if the songs are gonna save the less than's for me.
Hindi ko naman akalain na at di ko rin inaasahan pa na ang tulad mo ay aking makilala. At kung ano ako'y tanggap mo na, hindi ka rin nag-alinlangan pa. Ikaw at ako'y hanggang wakas ay tayo ng dalawa. Palagi kang laman ng isip ko, laman ng bawat panaginip ko. Ikaw lang ang tinitibo ng puso kong ito. Lagi rin akong nagdarasal, hinintay kita ng kahit tagal. Bigay ng may kapal, ngayon'y abot, kamay na kita mahal. Nais ko'y laging kapiling ka, ayoko nang muling nag-iisa. Pag andyan ka na sa piling ko, o kay saya. At kung ano ako'y tanggap mo na, hindi ka rin nag-alinlangan pa. Ikaw lang at ako'y hanggang wakas ay tayo ng dalawa. Palagi kang laman ng isip ko, laman ng bawat panaginip ko. Ikaw lang ang tinitibo ng puso kong ito. Lagi rin akong nagdarasal, hinintay kita ng kahit tagal. Bigay ng may kapal, ngayon'y abot, kamay na kita mahal. Lagi kang laman ng isip ko, laman ng bawat panaginip ko. Ikaw lang ang tinitibo ng puso kong ito. Lagi rin akong nagdarasal, hinintay kita ng kahit tagal. Bigay ng may kapal, ngayon'y abot, kamay na kita mahal. Palagi kang laman ng isip ko, laman ng bawat panaginip ko. Ikaw lang ang tinitibo ng puso kong ito. Lagi rin akong nagdarasal, hinintay kita ng kahit tagal. Bigay ng may kapal, ngayon'y abot, kamay na kita mahal. Bigay ka ng may kapal. Bigay ka ng may kapal.
Lalagay ng kolorete sa aking mukha para di nila malaman ang tunay na naganap, na ikaw at ako ay hindi na iyo pang mga ngiti para di halata. Damdamin ko'y pinipigil, sa loob umiiyak, dahil ikaw at ako ay hindi na. At ang hirap, magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako ay masaya, kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. At kung bukas pagmulat ng aking mata, may mahal ka ng iba, wala na akong magagawa, di ba? Paano ko sasabihin sa mga kaibigan ko, ako rin ang sisisihin, nabulagan ako na ikaw at ako ay wala na. At ang hirap, magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako ay masaya, kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. At kung bukas pagmulat ng aking mata, may mahal ka ng iba, wala na akong magagawa, hindi ba? San ba ko nagkamali? Di ko maintindihan kung sino pang nagmamahal, siya pang naiiwan, siya pang naiiwan. At ang hirap, magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako'y masaya, kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. At kung bukas pagmulat ng aking mata, may mahal ka ng iba, wala na akong magagawa, hindi ba?
Unting pumapatak nang di alam ang buhay. Ayaw kong ganito, mahal dinggin mo, nahihirapan ang puso, sinundan ka ng kusa at nagmamakaawa. Tinalikuran mo ako ng papalayong sumisigaw. Ang puso labis na nasaktan ako sa mga alaala. Kahit pahabulin ka, kahit mapilitin ka, wala na ba akong pag-asa pa? Tingin mo ang tibok ng puso, sa'yo'y nangungulila. Paano na ako? Paano na tayo? Paano na ang puso kong ito? Labis mong sinaktan ako, sobrang nahihirapan. Kahit mapulin ka, kahit mapilitin ka, wala na ba akong pag-asa pa? Hindi ko makakaya, nasa isip ay masanin. Aking hinihiling, muli at tanggapin, dalangin ang puso sa pisigaw. Labis na nasaktan ako.
Bakit ba pag ika'y nakikita, puso ko ay kumakaba? Pag nasilayan ko ang iyong ganda, puso ko ay nababalisa. Kapag ika'y katabi, ako'y di mapakali. Walang ibang iniisip, di ikaw lagi. Sinubukan ko ika'y kalimutan, ngunit hanggang ngayon di ko makakayanan. Pagkat ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan, sa araw at gabi, ikaw ang dahilan. At di ako makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo, pagkat ikaw sinta, ikaw ang dahilan. Paano ko kaya masasabi sa'yo na ikaw ang tinitibok ng puso ko? Ang aking nadarama ay para lang sa'yo. Asahan mo ito sana ay di na maglalaho, pagkat ikaw ang laman
kakaisip sa'yo pagkat ikaw sinta, ikaw ang dahilan. Sa araw at gabi, ikaw ang dahilan. Di ako makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo pagkat ikaw sinta, ikaw ang dahilan. Ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan. Sa araw at gabi, ikaw ang dahilan. Di ako makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo pagkat ikaw sinta, ikaw ang mahal.
OPM lover.
I lie awake, thinking of the days gone by, wishing that you're still here with me, baby. I was wrong, and now you're gone. Please hear this heart of mine. Hear me calling whenever you're around me. I feel different in your arms. With the way you touch me, I feel the love that lasts a lifetime. Your love so true, and I never knew that it's you I need all this time.
OPM lover.
See these tears that keep falling from my eyes, wishing that I never let you go, my baby. Take this heart, fill me with your love. Please hear these words of mine. Hear me calling whenever you're around me. I feel different in your arms. With the way you touch me, I feel the love that lasts a lifetime. Your love so true, and I never knew that it's you I need all this time. Yeah, yeah. that it's you I need all this time. All this time. All this time.
Bakit hindi mo maramdaman ikaw sa akin ay mahalaga? Ako sa'yo'y kaibigan lang. Paano nga ba't di ko matanggap? At ako pa ba'y ibigin pa? Ang dinadasang makikiusap na lang. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Ang dinadasal sa araw-araw. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. At maghihintay hanggang akin ka na kilig. At sa panaginip lamang nahahagkan, nayayakap ka. At ako pa ba'y iibigin pa? Ang dinadasal makikiusap na lang. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Ang dinadasal sa araw-araw. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. At maghihintay hanggang akin ka na Ako pa ba'y ibigin pa? Ang dinadasal makikiusap na lang. Akin ka na lang, kilig. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Ang dinadasal sa araw-araw. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. At maghihintay hanggang akin ka na Thank you po. Puso ko. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Ang dinadasal sa araw-araw. Akin ka na lang, akin
nga ba ang tunay mong minamahal? Ako nga ba ang tinatangi ng puso mo? Sinabi mo higit akong mahalaga, ngunit alam ko hindi mo kayang iwanan siya. Ako na lang ang lalayo, ako na lang ang susuko. Paano nang pag-ibig ko kung may kahati sa puso mo? Naninikip ang dibdib ko, hindi na ako makahinga. Hindi ko kayang may kaagaw sa'yo. Ako na lang ang lalayo. Pangako mo, ako lang sa buhay mo. Sabihin mo ngayon, ako na lang ba at wala na siya? Sinabi mo higit akong mahalaga, ngunit alam ko hindi mo kayang iwanan siya. Ako na lang ang lalayo, ako na lang ang susuko. Paano nang pag-ibig ko kung may kahati sa puso mo? Naninikip ang dibdib ko, hindi na ako makahinga. Hindi ko kayang may kaagaw sa'yo. Ako na lang ang lalayo. Isa lang ang puso mo, isa lang ang piliin mo. Kundi mo kayang iwanan siya, ako na lang ang lalayo. Ako na lang ang lalayo, ako na lang ang susuko. Paano nang pag-ibig ko kung may kahati sa puso mo? Naninikip ang dibdib ko, hindi na ako makahinga. Hindi ko kayang may kaagaw sa'yo. Ako na lang ang lalayo. Hindi mo kayang iwanan siya. Ako na lang ang lalayo.
Since you left me, I never really tried to put my life back where it should belong. And I've always let the past come back, realizing that it could be wrong. But now I finally knew I had to let it go to make way for a brighter tomorrow. So now I'm leaving yesterday behind. Finally I made up my mind to let the memories stay away and think about today. I'm leaving yesterday behind, 'cause now I'll try to live my life once more the way I did before. Since I know that I never will forget the memories that made my yesterday, I will try not to let it interfere the choices I will make along the way. ikaw na pala ang may-ari ng damdamin ng minamahal ko. Pakisabi na lang na wag nang mag-alala at okay lang ako. Sabi nga ng iba, kung talagang mahal mo siya ay hahayaan mo. Hahayaan mo na mamaalam. Hahayaan mo na lumisan. Kaya't humihiling ako kay Bathala na sana ay hindi na siya luluha pa, na sana ay hindi na siya mag-iisa, na sana lang ingatan mo siya. Pinaliwala niya ako dahil sa'yo, nawala na ng saysay ang pagmamahal na kay tagal ko ring binubuo, na kay tagal ko ring hindi sinuko. Binaliwala niya ako dahil sa'yo, dahil sa'yo. Ito na ang huling awit na kanyang maririnig. Ito na ang huling tingin na dati siyang kinikilig. Ito na ang huling araw ng mga yakap ko't halik. Ito na, ito na. Sabi nga ng iba, kung talagang mahal mo siya ay hahayaan mo. Hahayaan mo na mamaalam. Hahayaan mo na lumisan. Oh, ingatan mo siya. Binaliwala niya ako dahil sa'yo, nawala na ng saysay ang pagmamahal na kay tagal ko ring binubuo, na kay tagal ko ring hindi sinuko. Pinaliwala niya ako dahil sa'yo, dahil sa'yo. Ito nang huling awit na iyong maririnig. Ito nang huling